The average sneeze shoots air at 160 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway, but it's not enough to fly away. Yet. To escape Earth, you need to reach 40,000 kilometers per hour. Our sneeze is 250 times too slow. We need a more powerful sneeze. What if you inhaled all the world's pepper at once? The sneeze is building, your whole body is shaking, and then something interesting happens. Even the most powerful sneeze lifts you a few centimeters off the ground and immediately brings you back down. Gravity is not impressed. But what if you sneeze without stopping? Each sneeze pushes you slightly higher, like rocket bursts. You're rising, slowly, very slowly. Clouds make everything worse. Moisture tickles your nose even more. At 10 kilometers up, like airline pilots notice you. But higher up, the air runs out, and without air, no sneeze. The sneeze fades, your body starts falling back down, and you fall, with all the speed you built up. New plan, spacesuit, oxygen tank. Sneeze in space where nothing stops you. Problem, inside a helmet, there's nowhere to sneeze. Everything stays inside the visor, you're blind. In space, covered in your own sneeze. But something interesting actually does happen. In zero gravity, every sneeze pushes you in the opposite direction. Technically, you can steer in space by sneezing. One sneeze in zero gravity moves you about 3 centimeters. To reach the moon by sneezing, you need about 12 billion sneezes. Sneezing every 5 seconds without stopping, that's 1,900 years. You arrive at the moon after 1,900 years. Slightly older than when you left. By the way, during a sneeze, your heart skips a beat, and you cannot sneeze with your eyes open. Physically impossible. One sneeze launches 100,000 droplets up to 8 meters away. If sneeze droplets were visible, one room after a sneeze would look like this. The fastest sneeze ever recorded, 270 kilometers per hour. Faster than most hurricanes, still not enough for space. An elephant sneezes 50 times more powerfully than a human, but even an elephant stays on the ground. An elephant sneeze blows you away like a feather. The elephant doesn't even notice. Last idea. Sneeze at the exact same moment a rocket fires. It works. But that's not a sneeze anymore. That's just a rocket. Escaping Earth by sneezing? Impossible. Physics is against you. Sometimes a sneeze is just a sneeze.